Hi, Robbie here. It's another Thursday morning, and sitting out here in the garden, learning to be patient. Learning to be patient by observing nature. Um, Today is January 22, and for the past month, I've been noticing that there's a little bit more, a few minutes more daylight every day. You're probably noticing it too. Between December 21 and June 21, every year, there's always a little bit more daylight every day, and I'm really happy about that because because the weather warms up a little bit, and I prefer warmer weather to cooler weather. It's a it's a long habit of mine that I've grown comfortable with. Uh, so, what am I learning with about patience? Well, the pace of increasing the sunlight every day is gradual. It's very slow, but it's continual, and it happens just a couple of minutes every day for 6 months. And if God or Mother Nature can make progress like that on a gradual basis, I can be patient too, and I can learn to pursue my goals unless they're urgent in an emergency. I can pursue my goals in due time. I can be patient and be careful and be cautious and avoiding avoiding hurrying too fast, which would lead to errors or omissions and making mistakes that are unnecessary. So, patience, as they say, is a virtue, and I'm learning a little bit more patience every time I think about the gradual pace of nature's making progress. Well, that's what I'm thinking about today. Uh, I hope you're enjoying the little bit more sunshine every day, and I'll talk with you again next Thursday. But that's it for today.